Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can set up the scheduled charging. So at the first you have to go for the settings, next find the battery settings and move to the battery care. And as you can see right now we can set the scheduled charging for our ASUS by tapping on this feature, and when you tap on this feature you are able to set the start and the end time. So right now it's set on the 9 o'clock, let's go for the 8 and finish around 8 p.m. Okay, so the period, for 8 a.m. and the period is 4 hours. So as you can see we can turn on the auto end time, so it will be dynamically adjust end time according to the alarm clock, and the alarm clock should be within 2 hours before an original end time. So when you use this feature, this one will be just turned off, right? So you have to decide what you want to get, and that's all. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.